Then just we are coming down a little bit. What happens is two options we have. One is quantity updating, value updating. So go double click on quantity value updating right now in left hand side. Click position, press enter. Enter the valuation area. So what is valuation area? Valuation area means is a plant where the materials are evaluated. So just enter the valuation area. Okay, click continue. Look this quantity updating and value updating, the checkbox has not updated. So we have to update. Why we have to update it? So suppose in your storage location in your inventory, stock is 0, total stock is 0, but you have made a goods receipt for 10 number of quantity, and 10 number of each quantity is having a 10 rupees. What is the total value of stock? 100 rupees. What is the total quantity? 10 rupees. So in that case, what happened? Quantity should be updated, value should be updated. Then only system will allow to make as a goods receipt, make as a invoice receipt, or make as a goods issue, whatever it is. Or if this checkbox is not selected, then system will throw an error to you. Okay. So this is the configuration of material type.